Like, what frontal? This is on me, baby. This is on me. Lace? Where? What lace? You feel me? Ay, 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 ay. Hey, what up, y'all? It's your girl Stallicorn, and I'm back at it again with another tutorial. So today I will be showing you how I laid my lace, or how I lay my lace frontal wigs. I'll be showing you how I do my hair using the ball cap method. Now, I ain't no pro, but I do pretty decent. You know, I do a little something. So the hair that I have in my head today is from this company called The Bundles Bar. Their Instagram is The Bundles Bar LLC. I'll link it down in the description box below. You can go on their website, it's thebundlesbar.com. And if you want some coins off, if you like this hair, make sure you put in my code Stallicorn10 so you could get that money off, because I'm trying to help you save coins. Now, like I said, I'm going to be showing y'all how I lay my wigs. I'm not a professional, like I said before, but I be doing a little something, you feel me? But before we even get into that, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can get notified for when I drop more videos just like this one. Let's go. Alright, y'all, excuse my voice. I'm recording this at like 5 o'clock in the morning. So I'm putting on a wig cap on my head. I actually got this in a 20-pack on Amazon for like, I want to say like $9 or like $5, something like that. And then I'm just going to cut holes into the ears and wrap it around my ears so that I can get a tighter hold. And then after I do that, because I lost footage and I couldn't show you guys, I'm just gonna spray the perimeter of my hairline with some got to be glued freeze spray and blow dry that on the cool setting so that it can actually stay onto my forehead. So after I get the freeze spray to dry, I'm just going to cut off the excess material so that it can mimic my hairline. You don't want to cut too far back to where your hair is actually showing. So you just want to cut like a good inch to half an inch onto your forehead. I also forgot to mention that make sure you pull the stocking cap all the way down past the ears so that the seam part isn't in the hairline part, if that makes sense. Like, you would want to cut that out so that it could be seamless and then your wig can lay flat also. Make sure you cut the ear tabs, make sure you cut where your hairline stops, your widow's peak, all of that. Any excess, you want to get all of that out. So you see how I have some of these, like it's lifting up right here? Yeah, we about to fix that. You don't want to cut it, you want to glue it down, because if you cut it, you might go too far back. So what I'm going to do is take my Ghost Bond glue and I'm going to put that around my hairline. Then of course, once we put it around the hairline, we want to just smooth it out with a comb. So next you're going to take some foundation or concealer of your choice, or even some powder of your choice, and rub that all over the stocking cap to where you think the frontal would be at. I usually go like to halfway my head, and you want to do this because when you're parting your frontal, you don't want underneath to look like beige. You want it to be your skin complexion. I'm going to take some rubbing alcohol, and then I'm just going to wipe away all the excess makeup that's actually on my forehead. Look at Big Baldy. Look at Big Baldy. Alright, now it's time for the install. I'm going to put my Ghost Bond glue around the perimeter of my head, on my hairline, and I'm going to put 2 layers of that, and then I'm going to put the wig on. In a normal situation, I wouldn't normally do this, but since my lace is already cut, I'm putting the glue on there and letting it dry so that when I do put it on to match it up, I can actually see where the hairline stops. Now, of course, you don't have to do it this way, but I did it this way because it actually stays on my head this way when I let the glue dry all the way. And then that way I can actually see where to cut. So I'm putting on the first layer and then I'm gonna let it dry. I'm actually gonna blow dry it on the cool setting of my blow dryer and then put on the second layer. So I made this wig myself. This is old hair that I took from a previous wig and I just loosed it out and remade the wig. Cause you know we gotta recycle these bundles out here. We don't got money to be buying new bundles. But nah. So this wig I actually made it myself and I just took some old bundles and made this wig, and then I added in some new bundles too on top, so that it could be a little bit fuller, because last time I used 1.5, now I use 3. And I did get these bundles from the Bundles Bar, and I believe that this is a 13x4 deep wave frontal, 16 inches, and the bundles I used were 3 16-inch bundles also. If you guys do plan on shopping there, make sure you use my code at Stallicorn10 so you can get some coins off, okay? But yeah, let's get into this install. Okay, so how the stylist had cut the lace last time, I had made my wig a little bit too small for my head, so she had to accommodate and cut the lace a little out there. So now that I actually made the wig to my proper head size, I'm gonna have to cut all this lace off and then actually make my own baby hairs. So because you see how it's like flopping right here, and if I glue that part down also, it's gonna be too far on my forehead. We don't want that. Alright, I'm gonna have to take it all off and pull it back. I don't want to cut too much. So now I'm adding on the final layer right before I actually permanently glue down the lace, and I'm just gonna let this dry to get tacky. Of course I'm gonna blow dry it on cool settings from my blow dryer, but we want this to get tacky, not wet, not super dry. That glue dried so fast. Okay, we don't want it to get too dry to the point where it won't hold, but we do want it to be a little tacky. Alright, I feel like this is tacky enough, so let's hurry up and put this on. Just make sure that when you're placing the lace, you're placing it at the edge of the glue so that it covers all of that, and you have about like 1/2 inch or a centimeter of glue holding onto that lace. Remember, that is going to be key, and it has to be tacky. Not wet, not dry, tacky. And make sure you get your ear tabs, because that is the most important part. Also, if you have any sections of the lace that isn't glued down, just put some glue there. I be seeing people put got to be freeze spray there, but that never works for me, and it ends up making my whole lace come up. So yeah, just put some extra glue there, blow dry it a little bit, and tack it down. Alright y'all, so for this part, I really just took out the parts where I wanted my baby hairs to start, and I took my headband, my scarf, and just tied that down so that I could do the rest of my hair without getting my baby hairs involved in that. So this hair probably already had product from the last time I wore her, However, I'm still going to put some slick stick on there just to make sure that it stays down. Then I'm going to take my hot comb and just smoothen that out. To be honest, I can't find my spray bottle that had water in it. So I'm just going to run to the bathroom real quick, wet my hair, and then come back and then finish. Okay, I'm back. I just want to show you how long the hair is when it's a 16-inch deep wave. So that's where it is. That's where it stops to on my back. Now I'm going to take my Nairobi foam and I'm just going to run that through my hair.
Tell me your favorite song, I'll put it on repeat. I could wait for you forever, through the storms or any weather. Yeah, you're like New York in the sunshine. I'm a fool, yeah, I come.
Alright, so after I finish moisturizing my hair and putting some mousse and foam in it, I'm just going to cut my baby hairs to the desired length, use my Got To Be Glued gel, and just gel down my baby hairs. Okay, so this is the result of my installation. I actually feel like I did pretty good. Well, I should say reinstallation. But I feel like I did really good. And you feel me? Can you see the lace? No? Because what lace, baby? What lace? Like, what frontal? This is on me, baby. This is on me. So yeah guys, that's the ending of this tutorial. Let me know what you guys think. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have anything to say, make sure you leave a comment down below in the comment section. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for me. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. Bye.